Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an address in Google Chrome. So if you have your address and you want to save it in Google Chrome, so whenever you're going to fill out any form that requires address, you can quickly add that in because it will be stored. So you just want to go ahead and open up your Chrome, click the three that's on the upper right hand side. And here you want to go down to where it says password and autofill, and you will see addresses and more. So click on that. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on add. So you can go ahead and you can fill in your country, you can fill in your name, you can fill in your organization, street, all of these good stuff, postal code, and your phone number, email address, all of these stuff, and you'll be able to do it. So I'm going to quickly fill something here. So let's say type in Andrew, and let's say type in Drew Tuts or tutorial. You get the idea. Street, I'm going to just type ABC, for example. Postal code, I'm going to just add something here. So let's put 19800, for example. City, I'm going to put Prague as an example here. Phone number, I'm going to add something as well. So let's just add to blah, 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 blah. Let's add some thing. And email address, I'm going to put Andrew at, let's say, gmail.com. So that's it. And go ahead and click and save. And right here, I have the address added. So whenever you're going to fill any form, it's going to detect and ask you if you want to autofill, and you can just quickly select it and it will pre-fill all of the information for you. So that's it guys, very easy and very simple how to add address in Google Chrome.